You know how much to put in.
She goes by feel. Do you want a spoon, Nana?
Me?
You want a spoon?
Yeah, we'll do this.
Here's a bigger spoon. Yeah? Do you want to help make tortillas with Nana?
This won't take long, Robert, if you want to just wait.
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Hi, future Theo. Hi, future Theo.
Future?
Stop.
So how much do you add?
I don't know. A pinch of this. I don't add too much, just a little pinch.
You're having a third cinnamon roll. Come on, you're having a third cinnamon roll.
This shortening
Yes.
should come in this tray. You don't have anything open already?
Fine, I'm having another cinnamon roll.
I guess not. This is such a good idea. Yeah.
To put it in the sticks like butter. I hope it wasn't supposed to be refrigerated because I didn't refrigerate it.
No, you're
no.
not supposed to refrigerate shortening.
Okay.
Lard will go bad after a while, but that's something else.
Sure, wrap it.
How many tortillas does your tortilla-ness make?
Sometimes depends how much you have. I'm just making a little.
Yeah. Here, I'll take that and go away.
I haven't done it in a long time, so they're able to. You know, this is something that you should grow up doing. Like I was about 12 years old when I started.
You want a knife or a spoon? You just gonna use your fingers?
I just use the fingers.
Okay. I didn't know, so.
And salt. Oh,
Hi, future Theo.
just a little bit of salt. How do you get the salt? Just give me just a little bit. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. This is not much flour. I might have put too much of this stuff.
Of the lard or of the shortening?
That's what I mean.
Do you need more flour?
Yeah, I think I'll put a little bit more. Maybe this is enough. I think.
So just a good amount of flour, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of baking powder.
Yes,
And then just
the shortening.
shortening. About that much. Or just constantly
This
invite.
was my chore after I came back from school. I would make like a big thing of tortillas, and I would make them for supper. I would
Oh.
make supper. But
Yeah.
first I would start just to let the dough rest a little bit.
So do you put it in the fridge? Or do you just...
Oh no. There's nothing in there that will
That will
go
freeze.
bad. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it just helps dough rise to put it in the fridge. I don't know though.
There's no yeast in it. So.
I don't know. I
Well,
just
yes.
watched the Great British Bake Off.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
that's it.
This is just.
And then you're gonna add this much water. That much.
Oops.
fun part.
Yeah.
So what feel are you supposed to be going for, Mama?
What feel?
Yes. Let's say you just do
Don't
it
we
by
feel?
feel.
Because they just get it all together.
Stop helping.
Oh, wait! I'm not.
Is he being mean?
Yes, being mean.
I'm allowed to be mean.
This is gonna be my tortilla. When do we get to take it? Do we take it out and eat it?
No. Wait till I get it, everything out. Let me just make one little-
And a few small spookfuls.
So what time do you get out of work? At 7?
Me?
Yeah.
What day?
Yeah. What day? Every day is different?
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
I don't have a call on Mondays. I have a call on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. But they're different calls, and so they last a different amount of time.
Your work is just too weird.
You guys can't have any more cinnamon rolls. Those are for your mom at this point.
I know.
Because that's what? You and Robert, 3 cinnamon rolls each. I'm surprised you guys left the cookies alone.
Well, the end of the day's not over yet.
Well, you can
It's
have-
6 o'clock already.
Well, it's too much, cookies and cinnamon rolls and cheese.
Are you making that a challenge, Nana?
Like everything is already in there, you see.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at that dough.
Okay. I think this looks pretty good.
Can I touch it?
Eden, where does this one go?
I'm just gonna let it hit. Does this have a top?
I think so.
Or just let it?
Feel.
Yeah, you can put something on it like a tea towel or something.
Is that one too big? Oh, yeah.
That's okay. Put a tea towel on it.
That one maybe?
See, it's not very much. See how it's little the